Hi Cricut users, are you still using the text and font and design space as provided? Let's spice it up and level up the text game on Cricut Design Space without using any other software or application. Today I'm going to share some fun and easy tricks to make your text look more interesting than before. I'm Anushri and let's begin here with a blank canvas. First technique I'm covering here is stacking of text. Let's type something. I have typed hello all in caps here. This one appears in a default text. Let's just change it to a different font. Now there are numerous fonts available in Cricut Design Space. You can choose whichever looks good to you. I'll go with the Saladin 721 BT. Next we duplicate this text. And now I'm going to choose a shape. I'll keep it to a rectangular shape here. So before we do more with this particular shape, let me just change the color of it so that we can differentiate between the text and this shape. You can see here I have unlocked the sizing part of it so that I can change it to my own desired size. I will just elongate to both of the sides here. Now we'll go and select both the text and the shape together. And now we are going to do the slice option, which is available at the bottom. After we are selecting the slice, you can see that the top part is separated, the blue part is also sliced, and we'll have two of the bottom part as well. I will keep the blue part. Okay, I should have kept the black part here. I'll change the color now. Okay, this got stretched a bit. I'll just move it to near to the main text here. Now these three look stacked here. And we can proceed to do the rest of the stacking also. Now I'll create another two layers with the same way, but before that we need to align these three layers. Just align them by using the align feature here. I'll take the main text again and duplicate the similar way how I have done it before. Choosing a shape again I'm going to do the same thing, same technique completely so that it's easy to understand. So here we have another text here, the duplicate piece, and I'm going to slice it again similarly. Now this time after slicing, I'll take off the parts a little easier way, and now you can see that the black part is separated, the blue part I don't need, so I'm just going to remove that again. I have two black, one bottom, one top. So I'll go ahead and put it. So this time I've kept the upper portion a little smaller than the earlier one and the bottom portion a little bigger than the earlier one. So here it is all stacked up. Now I'll just center it horizontally to align them, and now it is ready. You can stack them as many layers as you want. Just group them together. It's ready to use. Now this one is my favorite when it comes to creating your own text in Design Space. Now let's learn one more interesting way of creating interesting text here. Now we'll create some outlines. Now if we write a text, generally we do not have an outline here, and by outline most of the people understand that creating an offset, but it is not like that. I will teach you here how to create an outline. Before that, let's just choose a different font. I'll go with the beefcakes here. Now why I'm choosing this is because it is giving me a lot of depth and a lot of width here. So I'm choosing this. I'll go to the adjustment part of it and I'll just do a letter spacing a bit of here because all the letters are very closely put together with the original font. So I'll just do a letter spacing. I'll go with 0.9 here so that there's enough space between them. Now this all looks good to me with the spacing and everything, the depth of the font here. Next what I'm going to do is I want to create an offset. Now this offset will look a little different from the usual, so I'll keep it 0.05 here so that most of the walls do not touch each other, as you can see here. Now each alphabet has its own offset here and most of it is not touching really. Okay, select both of it, the offset and the main layer, and just subtract. Now what appears right in front of you is an outline format. Change the color as per the need, and here is your outline text. Now that you know how to create some interesting fonts and designs, go and explore all this with your Cricut and have fun. See you in my next video. Till then, happy crafting.